Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today I'm gonna give you a makeup tutorial, giving you this look here that I love. This is a wedding look, you guys. So I was in a wedding this past weekend and this is exactly how I did my makeup. This is the foundation. I used all the same products. The only difference is I put on bottom lashes for the wedding. This time I just used mascara. But yeah, so this is it. Glitter eye. The foundation, you guys, Estee Lauder Double Wear. I know you guys probably have been wearing this for years. When it first came out years ago, I used it and for some reason I just didn't like it. I felt like it was too dry, too matte. I don't know if I was using it the wrong way, but I was reintroduced to this foundation. I went into Ulta, I'm like, I want to try something different. They reintroduced me to this one and I've been using it for the past like week or two, probably like 2 weeks. Love, like, period. I got the color 5 in 1.5 maple. I'll put it in the description box, you guys. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so we're gonna start off with our eyes, and to prime my eye I'm gonna use a paint pot by MAC, and the name of it is Painterly. It's just a cream eyeshadow that's really good for a base, since we're gonna have a little bit of color, like some fun stuff going on. Usually I do a basic eye, a little brown smoky or just something basic, but this I'm gonna have a little fun with this. So the palette that I use is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I am gonna use Punk, which is this brown. On here, roughly, because I'm gonna blend that out with Riff mixed with Stranded. So now the star of the eyes is one of those Stila glitter, like the liquid eyeshadows. It's the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila. And the color that I'm using is called Kitten Karma. It's glittery. And I'm gonna pack that over the gold eyeshadow. So now that the glitter is dry, I'm gonna go in with Inglot's gel liner in the color 77. This is the really jet black one. So I'm gonna prime my face using the Too Faced Hangover primer. It's very nourishing and really good for dry skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am using the color 5 in 1.5. So like I said, I tried this like when it first got popular years ago and I was like, oh, it's too dry. I didn't like it. It was too matte, but I don't know if I'm using it differently now or what, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I've been wearing this for about 2 weeks now, so I'm gonna go in with this. The only thing I would say I don't like is that it doesn't have a pump. Like, that's weird. Like, you pour it out. Like, I feel like no foundation comes like that anymore. It's kind of weird and you waste a lot of products if you're not careful. So I would definitely recommend that the company put a pump. That way you can kind of gauge how much comes out. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Tan Walnut. For cream contour, the Nika K, you guys know my favorite lately, the Nika K cream foundation in the color chocolate. So you guys, I'm going to use the technique for setting my face that I've been using a lot lately, which is taking my Laura Mercier loose translucent powder, and this one is in medium deep. It's the colored one. Set my whole face with it, and then take the regular Laura Mercier powder. You see how one's dark and then one's like just the transparent one. So the regular transparent one just to lightly set under my eyes so it won't be too heavy. I've been really liking this technique lately. So I've just been grabbing like a huge powder brush, lightly putting the medium deep color on the big powder brush. Literally setting my whole face. And from there, go in with the regular translucent and will lightly set in the highlighted areas. So now I'm going to go in with the powder contour just to set the cream a little bit further, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder in the color Espresso. You can tell I use this one a lot. For highlight, I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the gold highlight. And then taking my Becca highlighter in the color Opal. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Wonder Pencil. It's like a nude pencil. See how that kind of opens the eye wider and brighter? And then going back in with Punk again just to smudge underneath the bottom. And then back in with Baja to smudge out the brown. For mascara, I'm going to use Levi mascara from Tui Bell. This mascara is life, you guys. So creamy and super black. Love it. For lashes, of course, I'm going to use Socialite Mink Lash, and I am going to use the style Nightlife. So it's the style that's medium length, but full, fluffy, full of volume. Okay, y'all, so for lips, we are using Spicy Dark Cosmetics. So I'm going in with the Spicy Dark Cosmetics lip liner in the color True Brown. And for the lipstick, I am going to use Spicy Dark Cosmetics Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Hustle. This is like the perfect nude, y'all. Like, very natural nude color, like a peachy nude. Beautiful for African American skin tones. On top of that, I am going to go in with the Spicy Dark Cosmetics Lip Gloss, and this one is in the color Taurus. This is from her Zodiac collection. And I'm gonna set my face with the Fix Plus spray. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe. That way you can be the first to get those videos to your phone. So yeah, until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.